Deep in the heart of Africa lies the Congo River Basin, a place so vast and untamed that scientists are still uncovering its secrets. Imagine a world where the river is so powerful it carries more water than any other on the continent, and where the forests surrounding it are home to creatures that seem almost otherworldly. The Congo isn't just a river, it's a living, breathing force that sustains one of the richest ecosystems on Earth. And today, we're diving into the top 10 species that call this basin home, each more fascinating than the last. First, let's talk about the one animal that almost feels like a myth, the okapi. Most people outside Central Africa had never seen one until the early 20th century. With zebra-like stripes on its legs and the body of a giraffe, the okapi looks like it was stitched together from different animals. For years, it was nicknamed the African unicorn because it was so elusive, found only in the dense rainforests of the Congo. The okapi isn't just rare, it's a symbol of mystery, reminding us that even in the modern world, there are still creatures hiding in plain sight. But if the okapi represents elegance, the African grey parrot represents intelligence. These birds, found throughout the basin, are considered some of the smartest in the world, capable of learning hundreds of words and even understanding concepts. Imagine walking through the Congo rainforest and hearing a parrot mimic your voice back at you. Local communities have long considered them messengers, and their brilliance has made them highly sought after, sometimes tragically so, in the pet trade. Now, picture the river itself. Beneath its murky waters lives a predator as powerful as any big cat, the Nile crocodile. Growing over 16 feet long, these giants patrol the riverbanks with patience and precision. They can wait for hours, motionless, until the perfect moment to strike. In the Congo, the crocodile rules the waterways, a reminder that in this basin, survival depends on respect for the river's hidden dangers. Enter the Goliath tigerfish, a monster of a fish that looks like something out of a nightmare. With razor-sharp teeth and a reputation for attacking prey its own size, the Goliath tigerfish is considered one of the fiercest freshwater fish in the world. Anglers who dare to catch it describe it as the ultimate battle, a test of strength, skill, and nerve. Just knowing it lurks in the Congo River makes the water feel alive with tension. Moving back to the forest, we meet one of the Congo's most famous residents, the bonobo. Often called the forgotten ape, bonobos are our closest relatives, sharing more than 98% of our DNA. Unlike their chimpanzee cousins, who can be aggressive, bonobos are known for resolving conflicts through cooperation and even affection. In many ways, they offer a mirror to humanity, showing us what society might look like if peace, not power, was the driving force. The western lowland gorilla, another iconic resident, is a powerhouse of muscle and strength. Watching a silverback move through the forest is like watching the earth itself shift, immense, grounded, unstoppable. Yet gorillas are also surprisingly tender, fiercely protective of their families and capable of deep bonds. Their presence in the Congo represents both strength and vulnerability, as they are critically endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Among the trees, a flash of color catches the eye, the Congo peafowl. Unlike its Indian cousin, this bird isn't adorned with an extravagant tail, but it's just as captivating. Discovered only in the 20th century, The Congo peafowl is endemic to this region, meaning it exists nowhere else on Earth. Its discovery was proof that even in an age of satellites and global travel, the world can still surprise us with brand new species. Now let's turn to something more ancient. The African forest elephant. Smaller than their savanna cousins, forest elephants are the gardeners of the Congo. They carve paths through the dense jungle and disperse seeds with every step, ensuring the forest renews itself. In fact, many trees rely entirely on these elephants to spread their seeds. Without them, vast sections of the Congo Basin would wither. Protecting the elephant means protecting the forest itself. From giants to the microscopic, we can't ignore the river's smallest predators, electric catfish. These odd-looking creatures pack a powerful electric shock, stunning their prey before swallowing them whole. For local fishermen, they're a shocking reminder, literally, that the river holds surprises both wondrous and dangerous. And finally, we end with the shoebill stork, a bird that looks like it belongs in a prehistoric world. Standing nearly 5 feet tall with a massive shoe-shaped beak, the shoebill is both awkward and majestic. It waits motionless for hours in the swampy shallows, then strikes with lightning speed to catch fish. With its piercing stare and dinosaur-like features, it feels like a guardian of the wetlands, an echo of an ancient Earth still alive today. Taken together, these 10 species tell the story of the Congo River Basin itself, a place of power, beauty, and mystery. From the secretive Okapi to the thunderous elephant, from the gentle bonobo to the fearsome tigerfish, the basin is a stage where life performs its most extraordinary acts. Each species carries with it a lesson, a reminder of resilience, intelligence, or balance. And perhaps the most important lesson of all is this. In a world racing toward destruction, the Congo still whispers that wonder is not extinct. It's just waiting for us to look closely enough.